Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to play Valorant, there was an error connected to the platform with the error code VAL51, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here services.msc. After that, you're going to search for the service called VGC on here. So just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard. Here it is. Right click on it, click properties, and just go into startup type, disable the service, click apply, and then OK. After that, open up your web browser. Now search for Cloudflare WAP on here, and then click onto this link. Go ahead and download this software on your computer. And once it's done downloading, you're going to install it. And after you're done installing it, open it up. So here it is. Now you're just going to go into the settings icon, click 1.1.1.1 with warp, and then connect it. After it's connected, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up run again, and then go into services.msc again. Now you're going to enable that VGC service that we just disabled. So just right click on it, click properties, click automatic or automatic delayed start, any which is fine. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up the Riot client and you're going to try to play the game, and you will see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that VAL51 error anymore if your ping is high in game. So just turn off the Cloudflare WAP software once you're in the game. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.